Hello, this is Terry, and welcome back to another episode of Would You Rather, and today... Sorry guys, I just made a funny voice. Yeah, and today we're back playing a Would You Rather game. Yep, so that's what I'm gonna do. Because I haven't played Would You Rather games in ages, yeah. Because I've installed 2 Would You Rather games. Yeah. So let's get to it. Would you rather go to Italy or go to Japan? I've never been to any of these countries. I've only been to France. I'm going to Japan. Yeah. Oh no! Italy wins! Oh no! Alright, next up we've got, would you rather 99% plus 1% or 1% plus 99%? Because 99 plus... Okay, 99 plus 1 equals 100%. Yay! Would you rather play basketball or baseball? Yeah. I'm not kind of a sporty person. I'm going to say baseball. No! No! Everyone else picked basketball. Even LeBron James. LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James. Yeah. Would you rather have milk allergy or have tomato allergy? I don't have any allergies, so have milk. Never mind. Would you rather always hit your opponents in dodgeball or always score in basketball? I will score basketball with LeBron James. Alright. Would you rather always hit your... Oh. Yay! 58%. Oh. Okay, this is a difficult question. Would you rather watch Doctor Who or would you rather watch The Walking Dead? I don't watch any of these shows. I'm going to say Doctor Who. No! Why would people pick The Walking Dead? Alright. Would you rather click red or click blue? That just switched around. Let's switch places now. Click blue. Yay! Alright. Ooh. That is a difficult question. Would you rather fight 3 angry lions or eat 10 dogs? Yeah, Chinese people eat dogs and cats. Yeah. It's like, Chinese is like, oh, yummy cats and dogs. Fight 3 angry lions. Yay! Okay, next. Would you rather trust your mum or trust your dog? Trust your mum. Yeah. Yay, 63%. You know I love dogs. But my first favourite animal pet is a cat. Would you rather spend one day with Felix or meet Felix for some hour? Is it like a cat Felix or is it Fixer Felix Jr.? Meet Felix for some hour. For goodness sake! Okay, would you rather solve global warming or solve world hunger? Solve global warming. Never mind. Okay, would you rather be bitten by a venomous snake? Oh no! Or be bitten by a venomous spider? No! I don't like being poisoned. Snake. No, they picked spider. Would you rather be able to fly or be able to swim without needing to hold your breath? This is a very tricky question. Be able to swim without needing to hold your breath. Let's go for that. Why do I sound like a crow? Ah, ah, ah. I sound like a crow. Would you rather Honda or Toyota? Honda, thank you very much. Why Toyota? No. Okay, that is a funny question. Would you rather fart like crazy or poop like crazy? Poop like crazy. Not again! Flip it out. Ooh, this is a difficult question. I have 10 cousins, I think. 10 cousins-ish. I have a brother and sister, so would you rather have no siblings or have no cousins? I've got one older brother and one younger sister. No siblings. And I had to use a crow voice again. Ah! Trust me, guys, if I'm gonna lose this, I have to make a crow noise like this. Ah! Alright. Would you rather drink root beer or drink Pepsi? Drink Pepsi. Yes! I don't know how to use a crow voice. A crow sound. Okay, would you rather eat broccoli or eat Brussels sprouts? Brussels sprouts. I picked broccoli last time. Broccoli again. Yeah. Next we got. Ooh, that is a nice question. Would you rather watch Megamind or Despicable Me? I think these two are copycats, like the copycat movies. Because I think Megamind. I can't remember which of these movies did come out. The first, like, is it like Megamind or Despicable Me? I'm gonna say Despicable Me. Yes! Yeah. Oh, it's Minecraft and GTA 5. Another video game question. Yeah. Another video game quiz. Would you rather Minecraft or GTA 5? I don't know. Mostly Minecraft. Oh, yeah. Minecraft is the best. It's the best game ever. Would you rather red or blue again? Again with those questions. Red. Everyone picked blue. Ah! Would you rather play Fortnite or play COD? Oh, Call of Duty. Yeah, I remember Call of Duty. I don't play any of these games, so I'm going to pick Fortnite. And anyways, I like the dance moves in Fortnite, but some of them are a bit difficult. I like the floss, like, even better. Would you rather die slow and painful death and make it to heaven, or die fast and painless but make it to hell? Heaven is the best place to be. Yes? Because hell has full of creepy monsters and stuff, like the devil. Satan! Ooh. Would you rather be in a haunted ghost house forever, or be around annoying people all the time? That is a very difficult question. What should I go for? A haunted ghost house or around annoying people? I'd rather be around annoying people all the time. Yes! In your face, haunted ghost house. Would you rather live with your dad or live with your mum? They're still married. My parents are still married. They're not broken up. Like, yet. Well, they might stay in love forever. I don't know which one to pick. Your dad. Your mum? Your mum? Why would you... Most people picked your mum. Yeah. Because she's fat. Alright. Would you rather sour or sweet? Sweet. 66%. Oh, sweet. Would you rather hang out with your friends or spend time with your son, daughter? I don't even have children yet. I'm not gonna have children in the future. No. Spend time with your son and daughter. Yeah, I have no choice. Well, never mind. Okay, that's an easy question. The Lion King question. Would you rather meet Simba or meet Mufasa? Simba. Scar! Brother, help me! I'll rather pick Simba. Because he's the king of the Pride Lands after the death of his father, who was killed by Scar. Next go, would you rather TikTok or Vine? TikTok is deleted in America, so yeah. In America, they deleted... Yeah, America deleted TikTok due to very bad videos and stuff. And now Vine. I think Vine is deleted as well, I think. I'm saying TikTok. Yeah, TikTok is a weird... has got like very weird videos. YouTube is the best, but not TikTok. Would you rather date someone who is 10 years older or date someone who's 10 years younger? It's a difficult question. Date someone who is 10 years older. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Would you rather be a tyrannical dictator or be a merciful dictator? I don't know what these mean. A tyrannical or merciful? I don't know what they mean. Merciful. Yeah. Be like Adolf Hitler. Alright. Would you rather drink black tea every day or drink coffee every day? I don't drink coffee or tea. I'm saying black tea. No. I think black tea... I reckon black tea might be disgusting. Would you rather get rid of Fortnite or get rid of Halo 2? Fortnite's alright. I haven't played I played some of the games, like Minecraft and Lego games, and I haven't played most of them, like Halo and Five Nights at Freddy's. Get rid of Halo 2. What the hell's wrong with Fortnite? Oh yeah, it's because some gamers like rage when they play Fortnite. Yeah. Would you rather have 5 brothers or 5 sisters? I'm gonna say 5 brothers. I'm gonna do the last one and then I'll stop and have tea. Would you rather live in North Korea or experience North Korea for a week? Experience on North Korea. Alright, 67%. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you like this video, if you want to do some more, would you rather... I was meant to say, let's try again. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, if you want me to do some more would you rather videos, please sure to click that button as hard as you can, and subscribe to my channel, and leave some comments down below, and thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Goodbye, and peace.